Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. Before we do about this one, we see that s to the power of 7, that is about s to the power of 4 and s to the power of 3. So we need to use about u equals to this one, because we still have about s to the power of 4. So I need to put this one go to the left and u will put on the right. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of this one, we have 4s to the power of 3 ds. First derivative of number 4, this is about the constant, so you got about 0 in here. First derivative of u, we have number 1, so we have negative du. Because we don't have number 4 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 4. This one we change by u. S to the power of 4, that is about this one. S to the power of 3 ds, we change by this one. So 4 divided by u squared and u divided by u squared. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have negative number 4 over u. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u. And then we put about c. About u, that is about this one. And you got the final answer. Later that we simplify the negative side. This is the end. Thank you for watching.